Cum îți explici faptul că Mandurii nu mai marchează?
We have a hard period. I don't know. We have some opportunity to score, but we cannot. And I don't know. I hope and we think in this game we score goals, and I hope I score goals because I don't have a goal in this season, and I want to score how in this game.
Se pune presiune pe tine în acest moment?
Yes, but I think all team we have some pressure because we have only 2 points after 4 games, and it's hard for us, and we want to come back in our shape in our games and our game plan, and I think we have all players little bit pressure, but we must to make a good game, and this.
V-ați revenit după înfrângerea cu Steaua. Cum vă încurajează antrenorul?
We speak a little, but now we won't forget this game or this period, always for game, and try to make good games from Viitorul. It's first game for us who we want to make a good game and win this game.
Este o problemă psihică la echipă? Sunteți blocați psihic?
I don't know what is problem. I don't know. We try to play our game, but I don't know. It's maybe we have some blocked in our head. I don't know, but how I say, we try to come back in our shape in this game.
Cum va fi meciul cu Viitorul? Veți profita de faptul că ei nu au antrenor?
No, it's a hard game. All time when we play with them, we know it's hard game because we are young teams and we run a lot of, and we are from academy from Haji, and all players is we have big talents, and we want to show for everybody we are good players, and all time is a very hard game with them.
Ce ar însemna pentru voi să vină Hagi să-l găsiți pe bancă în acest meci?
I don't know. He was and he is a big person in Romania, but we must to leave this, and we see only our team and like this.
Vă temeți de retrogradare?
No, we don't think about this because we have our where we want to be, and we don't think about go down in division.
Mulțumesc.
Mulțumim.